Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your profile private on Amazon Music. First of all, make sure to open up a web browser and type in music.amazon.com in it and log into your account. Once you're logged into the homepage of Amazon Music, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the options, select My Profile. Now, from your profile section, tap on the pencil button right next to your profile, and on the next page, under Who Can Follow Your Activity, tap the drop-down and select No One. Click on Save to save your changes, and you will then be able to make your profile private in Amazon Music. So that's it. You can still share your playlist manually even with a private profile. Remember that private profiles don't hide previously shared playlists, so you may need to update or remove them. That's how you successfully make your Amazon Music profile private, keeping your listening activity safe and secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.